Ophis u District Sports Officer Ribhoi District Nongpo, ha ka jingis nok tilang bat ka Ophis u BDO Umsning sin adi block. Menta kasngi ka arpu pra tarik risau, kalapin kutno e ka Lympung jong ki Samla ban pin i ka sap ka Phong jong ki Khun Samla, ya ka belatip kum ka block level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program arajar arpusan ka beningkong. Halor ka Phang Empowered Youth Empowered Meghalaya. Kaba arsngi ya kabala pelong ha eduel mission hall kabadang hap ha Umsning sin adi block. Ya katay ka Lympung ki Samla kabala pelong ha po Umsning sin adi block lasdang hinin kasngi ka arpunyaw tarik urisau ha kabala wan ban play do video ka Umsning sin adi block uba Andrew Merthong ha ka jingadon lang uba Bobby Lingdo Nongbet District Sports Officer Nongpo. Kongrida Lindem PTI District Sports Office Nongpo lembat kiwe. Hakani ka program ka baars ngi kinthi la sakhi ka jingya kop beper ka bakanthup ya ka jingya kop draw bat airong ka jingya kop tem gita ka jingya kop ruai bat shat tenrai ka quiz bat kiwe ha ka balawan ban shiminta de ki Khun Samla kinthei bat chinrang jong ka Umsning block bat na pedeng kiti ki Samla na kaliang ka Ophis u DSO kan jet nripu prangut ki Samla ki bakinsai tam ban lej shiminta pat ka district level ban ya kop pen isap pat bat kiwe ki block na ribhoi. Hakani kasngi penkut lawan ban penha perdano do ba Celestine Lingdo MLA ka Umsning constituency ha ka jinga sakhilang u BDO ka Umsning sin adi block uba Andrew Merthong uba Bobby Lingdo Nongbet District Sports Officer Nongpo lembat ki nongtre na ka Ophis u DSO bat na ka Ophis BDO Umsning block ki khna school bat ki nong hikai. Ha kabakut pat jong ketiga Lympung na kaliang ka Ophis u DSO kila sami ki khusnam syabarok ki nong job bat ki sernot syabarok ki belawan bani shimenta ha ketiga Lympung ka baarsngi.
This quiz, before we start this quiz, it has become a tradition.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Mary. Moving on, may I invite Nikita Joseph and I request Yazir Chandra Dakyan to candidate early.
Poetry writing, 20 paintings, 14 arts and craft, 14 folk dance, 14 folk songs, 9 talent show performances, 8 sign mela, 13 guitars, 7 declamation, and quiz with 18 teams. And so 3 sessions were conducted: the ice-breaking session, the passion versus profession session, and the session of interaction with renowned youths were conducted in these 2 days. That's a training program. Yo siya menjadi kita kisah di performances kita along bahwa stage buat muncul hari ini. And so to inform you that 68 participants and 2 officials will be selected as a contingent to represent the block at the district level program to be held on midweek of November 2025. To conclude, once again, my sincere thank you to our respected MLA for making this day more attractive and possible, sir.
If my parachute does not open, I will be crash landing. The parachute that is there strapped at my back has meaning only when it opens up. If it does not open up, it has no meaning at all to be on my back. All the youths who have come to this program, the Youth Engagement Program, if your minds are not open, if you have not made your minds open right from yesterday, I think by the end of this program, you'll go back home sad, wasted your 2 days here, and you have crash landed. Our minds has to be open. Good afternoon, everyone. And I really salute our BDO. I was told the highest number of participants in all the blocks that have conducted the programs, so far highest number of participants is here in Umsning block. My salute to Bobby and his team from the district sports, all the students from different schools, and the teachers who have accompanied. I am absolutely sure that you are a better person today than you were yesterday. You are less shy today than you were yesterday. Yes or not? You are not sure. After spending 2 days here for the Youth Engagement Program, no change? I believe there is a change. I don't think that you can spend 2 days without bringing any change in your attitude and outlook. And for this, I would like to thank our Chief Minister for having the vision to have programs of youth engagements like this. I used to discuss with many of my friends, when we talk about nation building, people think of Parliament and the Lok Sabha. Nation building rules, regulations, how to run the country, assembly in the state. Nation building is not done only in Parliament and in assembly. What you do here on the stage for the last 2 days, the debates that you have, the quiz that you have, the leadership qualities that have been inculcated in each one of you, that is also nation building. Nation building is not a factory somewhere. Nation building is the activity that we do every day in our schools, in our colleges, in our interaction with friends and colleagues. Even people who sit in the market selling their wares in Umsning, when they are polite to their customers, they get more sales. When they speak nicely to people who come and buy things from the shops, the number of customers will increase. When it increases, they get more money. And when they have more money, they can send their children to schools, in good schools. When they have good money, they can make good houses. And if each and every family in our villages have good houses, have good schooling, that is nation building.
Hello joined my classes in class 8 in Auxilium Convent. Then I enrolled myself in the NCC. So NCC is a national cadet corps that gives opportunity to many children, many youth, many students of different school and college. So I was introduced on that time, where I joined on 2018 and 2019 I attended one of the camp. That camp was in Nepal itself, here in Khuborjylla. So I attend that camp, then I get to introduce one of the instructor, that is Ma'am Doreen Karvi. She's also the second woman from Meghalaya to climb Mount Everest on 2016. So since then I remember that I was little and I was listening to her journey. On that time I'll tell you that it was so impossible to listen something very dangerous mountain, because Mount Everest is not something easy to do. I can say that. It's very challenging. You have to really have that strong, physical and mentally strong. So I remember that on that time, it was like so impossible for me to go for this Everest and all. But then later, when I joined my college in St. Anthony's College as a second year, so I again enrolled myself in the NCC. And I can say that NCC had given me a lot of opportunity to experience these adventures. And from there, then they were informing me that there will be a selection process for the Everest. So then I joined and continue my selection process. Then I will be sharing more with you. So as a little girl, I hope that, and I believe that this will inspire you a lot. Even though, like,
And in the first place, we have Balwan College. Please come along. Second place, St. Michael High Secondary School. Team represented by Lasara, Nokri, and Banri.